Have you ever had a cold Crescent Veggie pizza appetizer? I've made this for years. It's an appetizer that's great for entertaining. It really is. It's great for birthday parties, baby showers, wedding showers, an after-school snack, a simple light and healthy lunch. How about game day? And of course you have the holiday season coming up soon here, and it's great for the holidays, or even a brunch. Let me tell you how easy it is to make this. You just take 2 containers of refrigerated crescent rolls and you put those side by side in a large half-sheet pan. Then you bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. Let that cool to room temperature. Then mix up 2 blocks of softened cream cheese, a cup of mayonnaise, and a packet of ranch mix or a packet of Knorr vegetable mix. They both work well for this. Dice up about 4 cups of vegetables. Layer them over the cream cheese mixture, and that's it. Today I used broccoli, carrots, yellow pepper, cauliflower, cherry tomato, red onion, and cheddar cheese. It was just delicious. That's really all there is to making this easy appetizer. You cut it into squares and you enjoy. You can probably get about 32 small squares out of a half-sheet pan. Of course, if you want bigger squares, that's okay too. We usually have a couple of them when we're eating it. This also refrigerates well. It'll keep up to 4 days in the refrigerator. And just enjoy. I hope you give this a try.